condensed glue gels. This is the first step from a crystal trifecta. And floating the no wipe top coat on the top. The first looks, second looks, and then the third, which colors you want to see. We have like kind of emerald. Let me clean up the, oh my gosh, so gorgeous. This the kids must have. First and second. I love the fact that it has a little of the centerpiece in there. It's so beautiful. It's okay. We get it here. No, can't see it. Well, I just want to show him.
Show them a bit.
Maybe we should do this color.
Do it.
No?
Do it.
First time I heard you say do it. Sure. Let's do it. I'm looking for the frame for that one. I think I'm gonna get the hearts, the big heart right there. Yeah, gonna get the heart, the biggest one. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. The color. Thanks so much everyone for tuning in. Welcome to Glitz Subscription Box live. So if I miss any of the comments, please hold tight for seconds when I am going to finish this and I'm able to read all the comment I might miss. Oh my god, it's so adorable, it's so cute. Okay, one more. So for a lot of questions asked, and how or what should they do, or how do they decide that, you know, to come up with some designs? It's just really simple. You just get any of the centerpiece that you like in any colors, and you place in the center first, or in, not if you're not centers, then in the cuticle area, or in the like in the middle of the nails, center of the nails, which is middle of the nails, or on the close of the cuticle, or on the close of the free edges, however you would like. And you can either add the frames on, or you can just doing it pair all of the crystal together. Just make sure they are close and tight together. Really like tight next to each other. Then I promise just every single design is gonna come out is really perfect the way you want it, as long as you keep them like close and tight together. All right, so here, Kia for 60 seconds. You happy with this? We're going to Kia for 60 seconds.